Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna be unboxing the Google Home today. So Google Home is kind of an assistant or smart speaker, just like the Amazon Alexa. So here's the thing. This high excursion speaker delivers clear high and rich bass for hi-fi sounds. Far field voice recognition to support hands-free use. Chromecast built-in allows casting from compatible audio apps to Google Home. Simple setup with the Google Home app on iOS and Android. Multi-room playback to sync music across speakers that have Chromecast built in. So, let's get into it. That's two. Now, that's the moment of truth. Okay, now it might be the moment of truth. Damn, that's good. That looks good. Does Google sign on top? Let's take this thing out of the box. That's how it looks like. Well, oh no, okay. It says, how can I help you? Has that app too? So that app too. It's what is it? What's it? I don't know which country kind of thing it is. I think US. So let's close the thing up, nothing inside. Let's keep it aside. Let's see. You can get the down parts, different colors. Yeah, you can buy them for extra. This like a clip or lock to bind it up. No, where do you put this? Down there. Okay, there you go. Now let's plug this in. I think it should be on. Yeah, there's the light. Now, okay. It has an app called Google Home. You can get it in the App Store or Play Store. Whoa.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
That's loud. I already downloaded it. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I already downloaded it. Yes. Wait, I think it's connected. Wait, is it connected? And I think it's connected. No, it's not. Okay. It's gonna be connected. Hopefully. Oh, yes. Yeah, connect. Whatever. It's good. Did you hear the sound? Yes. Yeah, man. Proceed. Where is this device? Like a bedroom, whatever. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, this is mine. Yeah, whatever. No, let's do this. Oh my god, what is happening with my Wi-Fi? Okay, that's good. Next, okay, that's good. Activate voice match on this line. Yeah, I agree. What? Okay. Google Home. Why does it take a long time? Yeah, I agree. What? Okay. Skip. Sure. No. Yeah. And your video services. Yeah, not now. But thanks. Continue. 4 minutes left. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Hey, what? That's it? Okay. It's taking a while. 10 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh my goodness. I'm getting the things. Still, oh my god, 3 minutes again. You know what? You guys can skip it until the end. And before continuing, please subscribe and like and share this video, as it's gonna help me a lot. Your patience will be rewarded. Wow. Better speaker is ready. Okay. Continue.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Okay. Wait. Fine, tell me a joke, whatever. One does a wheel make? What the heck? Okay. Hey Google. What's it? Oh my god, nothing.
Sorry, what are you asking?
Okay. What's the weather? Okay. Hey Google.
Right now
What's the weather in USA?
Right now in Washington, it's 84 and sunny. Today, it'll be sunny with a forecast high of 92 and a low of 72.
Okay. Hey Google. Tell me a joke.
Never try to annoy someone with bird puns, because two can play at that game.
I didn't get it at all. Okay. Hey Google. Tell me another joke.
Why did the Scarecrow keep getting promoted? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Okay, that was funny. Okay. Hey Google. What's the distance of Moon from Earth?
Moon is 384,400 kilometers from Earth.
Okay. So that's it. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. And there's most probably gonna be more videos. So stay tuned.